What is going on, everybody? We have a tough round three. It's pretty windy, especially on a few KO holes, and the only one Elwood hole is actually a little windy. So before I get started, I want to make sure I get my bag how I want it. Okay. Because I think the only disc I'm not really going to wind up using in this round is this. All of these are going to wind up being used. It's pretty tough. So hopefully we can... I'm hoping for at least 9 down. I'll be happy with that. Hell, I'll even be happy with a 7 down. Because of the wind. I'm not expecting anything too much. And obviously ain't really much of a shot, but I actually tested that out, and it's actually not that bad. But not going to get it because I'm waiting on a light extra glide one. So, not Challenge the Valley, wrong one. Go to Pro Tour. As you can see, some of the top people are already getting in 10, 11 down. As you can see, 9, 8, even a 7. And so far, the 7 is the lowest. No, but before I start that, I have to change one thing. I know some people might want the whole preview. I'll put that in. Alright. Let's get it. You only get one try. Sadly, for this round, yeah. Okay, so here, hole 3 of K-hole. And look at this lovely wind. Don't you just love it? So here, we'll use my musket. Normally I do, but with this wind, we go to recoil. Gonna aim the first arrow there. So, maybe somewhere right there. Okay, sorry, my aim point's right. Alright, ain't nothing to... Oh my god, please get up, get up, get up, get out, get out, get out! Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good. This was one of the holes I was actually worried about because of the wind. Now here we have another lovely windy hole of KO number 1. Now this, I'm not going to go forehand. I'm going to go backhand with my Extra Glide Accurate Musket. Aim somewhere here. Get this nail off my finger. And we're going to get a little bit of Aunt Annie. And that's just perfect. A little short, but nothing that we can't make. Alright, there we go. Executing on those holes. Oh yeah, I remember what this hole was. We got one of the harder holes in the game. Now this one ain't too windy. I think it's like a right to left wind 2 miles an hour. So ain't nothing too bad. We're gonna take my Extra Glide Accurate Musket. Put a little bit of Annie on it, and that's actually should just be perfect right there. Should have like a 70-footer. 73, that ain't too bad. Let's see, will we survive KO? We should find out. Alright, let's see. And that's actually in. There we go. There. Alright, I'm proud of myself how I handled this so far. Alright, we got cinnamon sticks. Ain't nothing too bad. Probably ace run it. Aim the first arrow there. Pull straight. Oh my god, please get over. Please get over. Oh my god. Oh, I meant to redo that. Dang. Oh my god, I knew I should not have done that. Well, it is what it is. Birdie the hard holes, bogey the easy holes. Oh, okay, we have a lovely little ace run here. Definitely gonna go musket. Oh, try to get that ace. Accurate. Extra glide. Put some ante on that. Oh, that ain't gonna make it. That's too low. And dead center. I think hole 6 is that par 5. And we have a lovely par 5 over a lake. Is an easy albatross if you had the right disc. If not, you would have to settle for the eagle. Hopefully we can get it after that hole 5 disastrous hole. Put a little bit of hyzer on that, and that is looking just perfect. Definitely be making up a stroke. 52 feet. There we go. I should be at least 6 down. 6 down, alright. Nothing too bad. Ooh, we got one of the harder holes in the game. Really wasn't too bad when I practiced this in the practice mode. Alright, here. I take my windbreak. Extra glide ballista. Aim just out here. It's just a touch of ante, and that should just fight right on through. Oh, man. Oh, wow. I almost didn't make it. I ain't really too worried about that. After the first shot, I figured I wasn't going to make the birdie. 7-6 down. Not too bad. And we have this lovely little par 4 that I've actually been birdieing a lot lately. Almost eagled it the other day. We got the Thunderbolt, or what some people call it, Harry Potter hole. This is where I use my big skip extra glide ballista. Kind of aim out a little bit here. Oh, right there. Put some Andy, not Andy, not the candy. And that's actually just looking just perfect. We're gonna go with my fuse. And that is just looking just fine. You love to see that. And I got the 7 down. What was the last one? Oh, yeah. The last hole. We got hole 2 of Alwood. This one ain't really too bad. Looking for the birdie here. Aim at that tree. Put a little bit of ante on it, and that's just looking perfect. Okay, 169 feet. I don't have the confidence at all to run this. So, we're going to use a sticky accurate pure. We'll give it a half bid. Oh! Man, almost. 8 down, 1039 rated. You love to see that right there. Wish hole 4 and 3 could have went differently, but 8 down with that win. You really can't really beat it. And when you average, say, a 1039 rated round, that's an 8 under. So that is definitely pretty good. Let's see what I'm up to now. We got 29 under. Not bad, not bad. And I thought I could actually take out notifications, which I can't. But that will do it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all tune to Huck Norris's round 1 and 2 video. Either it's probably tonight or tomorrow. I don't know when he's uploading it, but stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'll see you on tomorrow for round 4.